Hello, back again. Now I'm going to continue talking about the continuous. The continuous or progressive means the same thing. We talked about the present progressive. I'm talking to you right now. After that, I made a video called the past progressive. So at that time I was talking to you about that. And today I'm going to go to the future. Okay? Back in the future. That joke is getting pretty old. Now you'll notice again, there's certain things I conserved from the other tenses. The en train de, same thing. At 6 p.m. I'll give a little bit more there. While can still be used in the future. And we've still got the be, the verb, and the ing. So all those things, still the same. One little difference, it's in the future. We talked about the future before. So what's the situation? Well, it's basically a future action in progress. Future action in progress. Has a beginning and an end. And basically you've got this kind of representation during all this period of time, sometime in the future. Okay. So again, the situations are similar to the past progressive in that we have that specific moment. Actually, it could be all the same things as the past. The specific moment, the two simultaneous actions, or the interrupted action. Just putting all those into the future. Okay? So instead of j'étais en train de, it will be je serai en train de. Okay? I'll give you an example of a specific moment in the future. For example, right now it's 11 o'clock in the morning on April. Oh boy, that was an old picture there. It's not that time. Anyway, right now I think it's April 16th, okay, 2020, and I retire next year. So at around noon hour, 12 o'clock noon on April 16th, 2021. What will I be doing? I will be sailing. Sailing in April? How can that be? Well, I just reserved a boat in the British Virgin Islands. Can't wait. So, I specified at 6 p.m. tomorrow, for example, something that represents the future. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, I will be eating my supper. And je serai en train de manger mon souper à cette heure-là précise. Okay? So there we have that specific moment in the future. If we had an interrupted action, while I will be eating my supper, the phone will ring. Huh? How do I know that? Somebody wrote it in an appointment booklet. Okay, an appointment agenda. Okay, so while can also be used in the future. So while I will be sailing, you will be continuing in school. I'm sorry about that. That's life. Okay, so the key words are pretty similar to what we used in the past. Just throw them into the future. Terrible explanation, but anyway, as far as form goes, again it's be, verb, ing. What's the difference? It's in the future. How do you make the future? Will. Will, be, verb, ing, and there you have it. Je suis en train de parler, I am talking. Je serai en train de parler, je vais être en train de parler, I will be talking, I will be speaking. And that's it. So again, the auxiliary is the same auxiliary. But in this case, it's the future form of that auxiliary. So it would be will be. Oh, excuse me. Be careful here. Back up, rewind. Okay. What's the auxiliary in will be? It's not be, it's will. So be careful. Okay? The verb is be, but here we have will plus be, so will is the auxiliary. So if I have my sentence here, I will be sailing at 6 o'clock on April 16th, 2021, at that specific moment, my auxiliaries will run it through the system. I will be sailing. I will not be sailing. Will I be sailing? I want to know the activity, so I'd have to use the verb do. What will I be doing? Answer to the question, sailing. What will I be doing? Sailing. I could say in the BVI, in the British Virgin Islands, if that's the answer to my question, where, I would say, where will I be sailing? In the British Virgin Islands. And of course, subject question. The answer to the question is the subject, that is I. I could even put my name here, Tim, right? Who will be sailing in the British Virgin Islands? Tim will be sailing in the British Virgin Islands at 6 o'clock on April 16th, 2021. You can bitch. So there you go. That's the progressive and the continuous forms in the present, past, and future. Clear as mud. I hope you're not too confused. Have a nice day.